have you ever wondered why one number is reported in many different ways when many different team handles it? This is not a data issue. This is usually a definition issue. My name is Anam Saifuzaman. I've been working for a city agency and leading analytical team. Imagine you are creating a report and one of your key metrics is the number of inspections conducted in this quarter or in the past quarter. When one team is calculating the inspection with a review, a completed status, and the other team is calculating everything together. So here's the first difference. You have all the status versus you have the completed status. That creates a massive difference. Is it a data issue? Definitely not. This is definition issues and agreed upon term issues. What happens is when that kind of report happen and leadership's trust already is broken because of such mismatches. And as a result of that, there are more pressure added, more email and last minute communication happens, which adds more pressure on top of what's really happening. And thirdly, when it happens, it actually is waste of time if you think about it, because you are probably working on one metric is almost completed, and at the very end you realize that, oh, this is not really the metric that they want with these filters. I need to apply different filters. So it trickles down to your downstream reporting timeline, reporting metric, narrative that you're building. And it's chaos, to be very frank with you. So why this really happened? There are three reasons I found, and here they are. Number one is no single truth. There is no one template. Unit is preparing that template many different ways and reporting on. As a result of that, there is a mismatch within the versions, and each team has their own version. So when it comes in one place, number of mismatches. Second step is logical changes. So each team has their own way to calculate numbers or inspection numbers. One team with one logic and the other team does not follow the same logic with a separate logic. It may make sense based on the business context and end goal. However, when you are reporting, there should be one common parameters, like are you counting inspection plus re-inspections, or are you counting all the inspections that you conducted, including the one that you already completed versus in progress, or you only reporting on one specific group of inspections. And finally, the third step is old definition is carried over to the current report without reviewing it. For example, you probably have reported one number in the last quarter, and within the quarter, you just carried that number without realizing why that number was reported. Is it a regular number that we report all the time versus it is not a regular number or not a regular metric? So without realizing, these are the three mistakes, and I found happen to be the most. And here are the three non-negotiables for you if you are leading an oversight team or if you are creating the reports for your department in this quarter. Step number one agreed upon definition. So every single metric needs to have a definition. Write the definition down and list it with the parameters that you applied, with the filters, ranges, data quality checkpoints, and status of it. As a result of that, you will have a centralized process to count your inspection. Step number two, one owner for making the changes in the definition or the workbook. Every single metric and every single workbook should have an owner. Without the owner permission, nothing should change, nothing should get in, nothing should go out. With this control in place, you will protect your metrics and a centralized command will be established. Imagine one report has an owner and any metrics changes, that owner knows why something changed, versus a team without ownership, metric changes, nobody knows and nobody takes the ownership why something changed. So as a result of that, you get into this reporting chaos. So second step is one responsible ownership. Appoint a person who owns the reports and metric. It will control the changes and it will know the reasons for metric drifts and narrative drifts. That person will be able to have a control over it. Step number three, one place where the definition lives. If you're creating the report in this quarter, make sure you have one template. All the metrics should live in that template, and that should be shared with everybody else, and follow that template to build your narratives in the current quarter. With that approach, you will control again issues that may come out of the reports or the process. If you like this kind of content more, consider following my channel.